Hi guys, welcome to Miracles Library. So in this channel we bring a clear understanding of chemistry, physics, English and biology to the Jamb and WAEC aspirants. So not only that, we also make these subjects very easy to understand or comprehend. So in today's video we'll be talking about acid, bases and salt. That's what we're going to be talking about today. So before we dive into the video, I would love you to smash the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that anytime I post a video here on YouTube, you will be notified. Anytime I post one of my educating or educational videos here on YouTube, you will get notified. So don't still forget to like, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to share. So now let's look at the definition of acid by Arrhenius. This is who defined acid. He defined acid as a substance which dissolves in water to produce hydrozonium ion as the only positive ion. Arrhenius was the one that defined acid. So classifications of acids. Classifications based on source. There are classification based on source. There are classification based on ionization. So let's look at classification based on source. It said number one, organic acid. These are acids from fruits and vegetables. Inorganic acids are acids. These acids are the ones prepared in the laboratory. Then let's look at the classification based on ionization. It says strong acid is ionized completely in solution, e.g. hydrochloric acid and H2SO4. We have the other one, weak acid, it's ionized partially in solution. So that is it. Strong acid ionized completely, weak acid ionized partially. Then organic acids are from vegetable. You get, so that is it. So take note, we have concentrated and dilute acids based on dilution. Never add water to acid, but add acid to water while diluting. Never add water to acid, but add acid to water while diluting. Basicity of an acid. Let's look at basicity of an acid. The basicity of an acid, it is the number of replaceable hydrogen ion in each molecule of an atom. This is acid and basicity. HCl, hydrochloric acid. H2SO4 is 2, HNO3 1, CH3COOH is 1. So now let's look at the physical properties of an acid. It said they have sour taste. Number 2, they turn blue litmus paper red. Number 3, strong ones are corrosive. These are the physical properties of an acid. Now let's go to the chemical properties of an acid. So number 1, they react with metals higher than hydrogen in the electrochemical series to liberate hydrogen. You can see the reaction there. So number 2, they react with bases to form salt. Number 3, they liberate carbon 2 oxide from triosocarbonate. They liberate carbon 2 oxide from triosocarbonate. So you can see, look at the reactions, look at the equations there. Those ones will explain everything for you. So in this channel we just revise these things because now Jamb is fast approaching and you have to quickly understand. So number 1, let's look at what the methods of preparing acids. Number 1, by dissolution of acid anhydride. Note, acid anhydride are non-metallic oxides which dissolve in water to form acids. Number 2, by combination of constituent elements. Note, the HCl gas readily dissolves in water to form acids. Then number 3, by the use of stronger acids with a sort of weaker ones so as to liberate the weaker acids. You can see carbon 4 oxide plus hydrogen plus water, it forms what? Triosocarbonate. Hope you are seeing it. So that is just it. This is the methods of preparing acids. The equations are under them. I don't want to start mentioning the equations because we don't have enough time. So application of acids. Number 1, they are used as drying agents like H2SO4. Number 2, they can be used as in the production of fertilizers. Number 3, they can be used as oxidizing agents and even catalysts. Number 4, they are used as electrolytes. So these are the applications of acids. Now let's go to the bases and the alkalis. A base is a metallic oxide which neutralizes an acid. It dissolves in water to produce hydroxide ions. Alkalis are soluble base. When you hear alkalis, know that it's a soluble base. Physical properties of base: they turn red litmus paper blue. They are soapy when touched. They are bitter in taste. Strong ones are corrosive. So these are the properties of the physical properties of what? Base. These are the physical properties of base. So that is it. A base is a metallic oxide which neutralizes an acid, while the alkalis is soluble base. Now let's go to the chemical properties of acids. Number 1, they liberate ammonia gas when react with ammonium salt. Number 2, they react with acids to form salt and water. Take note of all this. These are the chemical properties. They react with acids to form salt and water. They react with acid, that is neutralization. This number 2 is a neutralization reaction. So uses of bases: we say it is used to soften hard water. Number 2, it is applied in the manufacture of glass. Number 3, it is used in making of soap. Number 4, it is used as electrolyte. Note, bases are used as what? Electrolytes. Bases are soapy when they touch. Those are the physical properties. Then these are the uses. So now let's move to the next one, which is salt. Salt is a chemical compound formed when the replaceable hydrogen ion in an acid is either partially or completely replaced by metallic ion from the base. A chemical compound formed when the replaceable hydrogen ion in an acid is either partially or completely replaced by a metallic ion or a base. Types of salts: we have acid salts. Here the replaceable hydrogen ion is partially replaced by metallic radicals. Number 2, basic salts. These salts contain the hydroxide ions. They occur since there is inadequate supply of acid for the complete neutralization. Number 3, normal salts. These salts are formed when the replaceable hydrogen ion of the acid are completely replaced by metallic radicals. Number 4, double salt. These are salts that ionize to produce 3 types of ions, which 2 are positive while the other is negative. Complex salts contains ions consisting of a charged group of atoms. So this is for the types of salts: acid salts, basic salts, normal salts, double salts, and what? Complex salt. So try to get all these things into your head because of your Jamb that is fast approaching and the WAEC that is also fast approaching. So now let's look at the next one. Let's see what's coming up now. The next one. So the next one is the uses of salt. Number 1, they are used in the production of gas like oxygen. Number 2, they are used in the production of fertilizers. Number 4, they can also be used as drying agents. Number 5, most of them are used as electrolytes. So take note of the uses of salt. The uses of salt: some are used as preservatives, some are used as fertilizers, some are used as reducing agents. So methods of preparation of salt. Number 1, for soluble salts. They are for soluble salts and for insoluble salts. So for the soluble salt is neutralization by reaction of acid and base to form what? Salt. So then number B, dilute acids on metals. Number 2, by double decomposition. Then the next one is by direct combination of constituent elements. That is still under insoluble salt. You can see I separated it. I wrote for soluble salt and for insoluble salt, so you can see everything. For soluble salt, neutralization and dilute acids on metals. So this is it. This is for the methods of preparation of salt. Chemistry is very, very interesting. Chemistry is interesting, I tell you, but it's just the way people see it. So now let's go for the general properties of salt. The general properties of salts can be summarized thus: A, soluble in water, i.e., as example, so look at the salt and solubility in water. Salts are sulfates, nitrates, carbonates, and chlorides. So in your free time you can take your pen and a paper, just, or you can still screenshot or just copy it down, write it down, so later you can go, or just download the video so that later you can go and check all these things and read again. These ones are revision. Take note, revision. Not everything I will explain here. Maybe in our other videos later on we are going to explain it one after the other. So it should be noted that hydrogen sulfate and hydrogen carbonate are generally soluble. B. Salt displaces volatile acids when treated with a less volatile acid. Okay guys, we have come to the end of today's class. So if you love the revision we do here, please do us a favor by subscribing to my YouTube channel, so that whenever I post a video here on YouTube, you will be notified. Please watch out for our next videos on different topics in chemistry, biology and physics. So guys, thanks for watching. God bless you. Goodbye.